I haven't eaten in 5 days, man.
I have to get food for my homie and my
Marge
family.
Simpson from The Simpsons? Oh, dude, I'm a big fan of that show. Tasty. Hello, Marge Simpson.
I think this is good.
You're my favorite character.
Dude, what the fuck, man? What the hell is that?
Come back here.
Get away from me, you're not gonna kill me.
Ah, jeez.
Oh, dear Lord, I'm gonna die.
Where are you, Marge?
I'm dead end.
I'm coming after you.
Ah, that sucks.
Maybe this is Marge.
Now you get away from me. You can't even talk normally.
Sorry, you stupid Marge Simpson. Yeah, there you are.
This is disgusting. You licked me.
Oh, dear Lord, that hurts. Oh, God.
I gotta run.
I'm angry at you, man.
No.
I'm gonna pay for what you did.
Please don't hurt me. I have a family. I have my homie. I am married. Oh, God, please. Homer, help.